If you are having trouble verifying your identity on Facebook, there are steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that the information you provided matches the details on your identification documents. This includes your name, date of birth, and any other required information. Step 2. Use alternative identification. If your initial verification attempt fails, try submitting a different form of identification. Facebook accepts various documents, such as a driver's license, passport, or utility bill, as proof of identity. Step 3. Follow up with Facebook. After submitting your identification, keep an eye on your email for any communication from Facebook. They may request additional information or provide updates on your verification status. Step 4. Appeal the decision. If your verification is still unsuccessful, you can appeal the decision. Look for the option to appeal in the notification you received and provide any additional information that may support your case. Step 5. Seek help from Facebook support. If all else fails, reach out to Facebook support for assistance. You can do this through the Help Center, where you can find resources and contact options to get further help with your verification issue. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of successfully verifying your identity on Facebook. Remember to be patient, as the process may take some time.